Everyone trains legs wrong. Not weak, not lazy, just blind to these exercises that build insane knee strength, balance, and power fast. And the first one looks so stupid, people will laugh until they try it. Forget leg press, forget curls. These are the rare leg moves athletes, soldiers, and rehab specialists use when normal workouts stop working. If your knees crack, your balance sucks, or your legs look strong but feel weak, watch this carefully. Number 1, retro walking, backward walking. This looks harmless, just walking backwards. But the second you try it, your legs wake up in panic. Your calves fire, your shins burn, your quads feel like they've never worked before. Why? Because backward walking attacks muscles normal walking ignores. Just 10 minutes, a few times a week, has been shown to improve balance, flexibility, and knee strength. Some people even report knee pain disappearing. Simple, weird, shockingly effective. And it only gets crazier from here. Number 2, ATG split squat, ass to grass lunge. This one looks illegal. One leg forward, back leg straight, and you drop so low, your knee goes past your toes. Your brain screams, "This is bad." It's not. It floods the knee with blood, nutrients, and strength. Your inner quad lights up, your glutes switch on, and the joint gets stronger, not weaker. Start elevated, hold support. Earn depth. This exercise rebuilds knees that squats destroyed. Number 3, skater squat, single leg destroyer. Now things get embarrassing. One leg does all the work, the other barely touches the ground. You wobble, you shake, you question your life choices. Here's the secret. Each leg handles more load alone than in a normal squat. That means faster strength gains, better balance, and explosive athletic power. It's brutal, and that's why it works. Number 4, third world deep squat. People in many countries rest like this instead of sitting in chairs. Heels flat, hips low, knees high. Most gym goers can't hold it for 10 seconds. But stay there and something changes. Your hips loosen, your glutes wake up. Standing up feels powerful instead of painful. Hold it daily, rock gently. Your legs relearn how they were meant to move. Number 5, tire flips, raw power builder. This is not a workout, it's a statement. You grab a massive tire, drive with your legs, and explode upward. Your quads, glutes, and hamstrings fire together like a rocket launch. Heart pounding, breathing heavy, pure strength on display. That's why this move goes viral every time. Number 6, Nordic hamstring curl, the knee saver. This one humbles everyone. You kneel, ankles locked, and slowly lean forward without falling. Your hamstrings scream. Research shows this activates the hamstrings harder than almost any exercise on earth. Athletes use it to cut injury risk in half. Rehab clinics swear by it. Slow, controlled, savage. Here's the truth. Strong legs aren't built by machines. They're built by movements your body isn't used to. Pick just one of these, practice it consistently, and your legs will feel different in weeks. Miss this, and you'll keep training hard with nothing to show for it. Subscribe, train smarter, move.